Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Klipsch KC5 true wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one earbud. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to, for whatever reason, just set these up like a new set of earbuds by deleting all the pairing history and everything like that off of them. This will work for that. Also, if you just want to get a new pair of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds. But anyways, to do the reset, all we need to do is take the earbuds out of the case like so, and we're just going to press and hold the button on the back of both earbuds simultaneously for about 8 seconds. And basically listen, you can actually listen into the earbuds when you do this, and the earbuds will both say, earphones are reset after about 8 seconds, at which point you can put them back in the case, close the case, take them out of the case, and set them up as though you're taking them out for the first time.